it's only made up of 7 different shapes, and from those basic shapes, you can build pretty much anything. Hello, this is BJ from Hearns Hobbies, and I'm going to be putting together this LaQ educational pack. So this is one of the little small sets. Now they do come in a variety of all different sizes, different subjects, and even basic sets, which is just a whole big box full of a variety of pieces. Now the LaQ is a Japanese system of educational click together brick. So on the back it shows you it's only made up of 7 different shapes, and from those basic shapes you can build pretty much anything. The whole idea is with these shapes you can start off really basic for the real youngins to do 2-dimensional designs, and then you can go into simple 3-dimensional and then more complicated 3-dimensional. So this time we're just going to build this little fire truck, and let's crack it open and see what it's all about. So let's just open up here. Alright, so we're going to have, we've got our packet of bits, then we have our manual. Okay, so here again it's showing the 7 different shapes. You got your basic square, you got your triangle, and then you've got the connecting pieces. So you've got an angled connecting piece, straight, wide, 3-point, and another angled 3-point. Oh, this is a 2-point, that's a 3-point. Okay, here we go. So there's a manual. Pretty straightforward. So it gives you an idea of the steps and how everything slots together. So let's pop that there. And now I just get this opened up. Alright, so spread all the parts. Alright, so some of these bits are already together. So let's just undo them. So you can see how they just snap apart. So you just clip it like so, and it comes apart, and you join it the same way. It's a very solid click. So it looks simple, but a lot of engineering is involved in here. Alright, so let's just pull this all apart, and we'll start from absolute scratch. Alright, so you can see the various parts. So these are square type sections. There's a triangle. So they're 2 flat pieces, and then you've got your connecting pieces. So this one here, that's a 2-point connector. Another 2-point connector with an angle. That's a right angle. And then a 3-point connector is there. Alright, let's see what we do. So you'll notice that on the instruction manual they listed the profiles of the parts and the number. So this is number 6 type, and if you're not too sure, have over here, and there's number 6. So that's the part you're looking for. Alright, so let's get, we need a red number 7. Okay, so there's a red number 7. A 3-way connector. We've got the flat. Connect like so. Another flat, connect like so, and we already have this part that's right there. Alright, let's make this part there. So I've got the flat, and then we've got a number 7 again, which is that 3-point. It goes like that. Alright, so we've got those 2 parts connected there, and then they clip like so. Alright, so that looks like the front bit of the cab. Alright, we'll do this, the back section here. So we've got the grey. Alright, grey flat. And then we've got a number 6 and a number 6 on both sides. So they're the right angle joiners. So there's one. There's another one. And then this will snap into here. Really very satisfying, that click. Alright, so we've got that bit. Alright, let's do this black part down here. We've got a black section. and then a number 7 and a number 7, which are the right angles again. So right angle there, right angle there. Oh, I think I got this wrong way around. Oh, they're not number 7s. Got those mixed up. So it's a 3.1. It's this one here. Number 7. Number 7. Then that, as you can see, will click together under here. Alright, double click, double satisfying. Alright, so that's the first module done. Alright, then you go into this section here. Alright, so we've got a grey flat with 2 right angle number 6s. So this here, that one there. Alright, so we've got that top bit, and then that goes onto a flat red. Same on the other side. Like so. And then across the top, we've got a flat grey with a number 3, which is that joiner there. Clicks into here. At the front, we've got a number 5 joiner in white, which is this one, the angled. Pop that there. Okay, so we've got most of that top bit section done. Now there's a base here, which is a flat with 2 right angle 6s on it in red. So I've got this right angle, and that just clicks in here. All right, double click happening. All right, so that's that section done. Okay, so now we go into the final step here. So we've got this part, which we constructed first. We've got this secondary part, which we've got here. So that connects onto here somehow. All right. Oh, I see. Okay, so you see the arrows going all the way through. So this is going to sit like this. And then that's going to be connected with this red section here. So we need a red flat. All right, number 4, which is the extended straight part. And then a number 6 right angle at the back. Like this. And then this goes through here. Clicks that together. There we go. All right, so we've got that section done now. All right, so let's do this back section. So it's another flat red, and then number 6 right angle in yellow, which is this one here. Let's click that, and then we've got the base in black. So we've got a flat. Number 4, which is the long flat joiner. And then that clicks into there. Now each side has got one of these 6s. Okay, that's a right angle in black. Now when you click them on, so the idea is, it looks like the little tire here. So we'll do that on both sides. And then we'll connect that onto here. So you'll notice that, what have I done here? All right, so this is the bottom section there. Now this is going to click into this part here, and it'll click into the bottom of here. So the black part is basically the chassis of the fire engine. All right, so we've got our square section there. You see the little wheels. And now we're just going to do the front cabin part. Okay, so cabin part, as you can see, is made up of all these different stacks. So we've got a couple of blue ones here to act like the windscreens. So they just slide into there. Whoops. Slides in there. And then we've got a red. There's a separator for the windscreen. And then we've got the yellow one. Goes in there. That'll be like the lights. And then we've finally got this yellow triangle, and that connects onto this right angle grey, like so. And then that slides on the very bottom here, I think. And there we go. That is our little LaQ fire truck. Yeah, how cute's that? So you got your little ladder on the top. You got this very simple three-dimensional design, and then clever the way that all these parts have been actually stacked there. They're not clicked into anything to give the extra definition of, you know, the front bumper and the windscreen. So very cute indeed. So this is one of the simpler kits. Obviously from there, this is made up of just those 7 parts. You could pull this apart and make something else if you like, or you can use that in combination with some other vehicles as well. So that is the simple LaQ little fire engine, all snapped up in a matter of minutes. So even for myself, still have the manual to go through. So it's very good to start kids onto how to follow diagrams, and then also basic instructions, and it's got these symbols there to let you know which parts to use. So very nice. So I think this is one of the better educational construction toys available, simply because of how modular it is and what you can do with it. So even with something this small, how much detail you can get, imagine something much bigger. So that's how LaQ works.